Hi guys, today I will explain how to create an account on Revolut. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is download the application from Google Play Store or from the App Store. And just follow my step. The first thing is open the Play Store or Apple Store. After it opens, take a look on the bottom. You will see a search bar at the right bottom. Click on it. And on the top in the search bar, you have to search for Revolut application. And here is the desired application. Just click on it, and if you have not installed this application, then here you will see the option of installation. So click on that and install this application. And after the installation, click on the option Open. Now take a look on the bottom. You will see two options, log in and sign up, because we will create a new account. So therefore, I will click on the option Sign Up. But before clicking on this, the next screen will not be show because it's the privacy policy Revolut. I cannot show my personal info, but when you will try to create, then you will see everything. So you just have to follow my steps. Then you can create your account easily. So now tap on the option Sign Up. Here you will see the option of a mobile number. And just next to mobile number, you can see the country code. Click on it and select your desired country. You can also select your desired country by using the search bar. Once you will select, enter the mobile phone number. After entering the mobile phone number, then the sign up option will be enabled, and then click on Sign Up. And then the Revolut will send a verification code on that number which you write. Then write that number and your account will be created. And they will ask to verify your email address and write your name and other info. And fill that everything by yourself, and then your account will be created on Revolut. And it was the primary way by which you can register yourself on Revolut.